students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes, and this is your biology class. Students, today we will discuss the unit 4, the remaining part of the unit 4, interdependence amongst living organisms. So, students, different kinds of ecosystem. So, students, you know that there are different kinds of ecosystem. Some are land, some are water, and some are also natural, some are man-made. Man-made means artificial ecosystem are called man-made ecosystem because these are made by not occurring naturally. Those type of ecosystem are called artificial, and these are actually the main man-made ecosystem. For example, aquarium. Aquarium is a artificial ecosystem and which is made by man. Okay, students. So we talk about that there are various types of ecosystem, different kinds of ecosystem, on land, on water. Some are natural, some are artificial. So actually there is a balance, there is a delicate balance between the living organism and the natural environment. Okay, students. So today we will discuss about the forest ecosystem. Actually, there are various type of ecosystem, but in your syllabus there is the brief description of forest ecosystem. Okay, students. So the forest ecosystem is actually a land ecosystem, and there is a dominance of flowering plants, and there are also trees, shrubs, creepers, climbers. That types of plants are found in forest ecosystem. Actually, forest is the largest ecosystem because the one third of the Earth's land is covered by forest, and in India, about 20% land is covered by forest. So it is the largest ecosystem. Means this is the largest land ecosystem. Okay, students. And like other ecosystem, forest ecosystem also have two components. First is biotic components and abiotic components. First is biotic components. So what is biotic components? Actually, the biotic component consists of living components is called biotic components, like producers and consumers and decomposers. These are biotic components. So if we talk about the first biotic components, that is producer. You know that there is a plenty of plants are there is a means dominance of producers in the forest ecosystem because there is a dominance of flowering plants like trees, herbs. There's various kinds of plants are found in the forest ecosystem. There's a large varieties of producers are found in the forest ecosystem. Producers means autotrophs. Those ऑटो मीन्स प्रोड्यूसर्स कौन से होते हैं, ऑटोट्रॉप्स होते हैं. ऑटोट्रॉप्स मीन्स विच प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड. ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ, जो सेल्फ से फूड प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं वो हो गए ऑटोट्रॉप्स. एंड प्रोड्यूसर्स मीन्स जो फूड को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं सेल्फ से, वो क्या है, प्रोड्यूसर्स. सो मोस्टली इन द प्रोड्यूसर्स द ग्रीन प्लांट्स फॉल इन दिस कैटेगरी. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स आर green plants. Okay, and the next is consumer. Now consumer is of two types. First is herbivores and second is carnivores. Students, herbivores. The herbivores are the consumers which are totally depend on the producers, which are depend on the green plants. Means they feed on green plants are called herbivores. Some are small herbivores, some are large herbivores. Like small herbivores कैसे होते हैं? For example, flies, beetles, and flies, beetles are the small herbivores, and large herbivores like deer, elephant, these are large herbivores. So they feed on green plants. These flies, beetles are depend on the leaves of the tree, and these deer, elephant are depend on the fruit and root of the tree. So these are large herbivores and these are small herbivores. And next type of the consumer is the carnivore. Carnivore are the animals which depend on these herbivores animals. ये जो carnivores होते हैं वो ये herbivores पर depend होते हैं. Carnivores भी two types के होते हैं. There are two types of carnivores. First of small carnivores and second is large carnivores. Small carnivores like birds, lizards, snake. These are small carnivores. Means they feed on these herbivores animals. Okay. And the second type of the large carnivores like lion, tiger. These are large carnivores. Okay. So these large carnivores are feed on these herbivorous animals or the स्मॉलेस्ट कार्निवोर्स एनिमल्स. ओके, ये जो लार्ज कार्निवोर्स होते हैं ये फीड करते हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द हार्बिवोरस एनिमल्स, मींस ये डियर, एलिफेंट को भी ईट करते हैं, और ये स्मॉल कार्निवोर्स को भी ईट करते हैं, जैसे कि बर्ड, लिजार्ड, स्नेक, इनको भी ईट करते हैं. सो दे आर डिपेंड ऑन हार्बिवोरस एज वेल एज द स्मॉल कार्निवोर्स, सो दे आर कॉल्ड लार्ज कार्निवोर्स. सो दे आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कंज्यूमर. ओके स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट इज डिकम्पोजर्स. So decomposers are who decompose. जो डिकम्पोज करते हैं वो डिकम्पोजर्स हो गए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फंगी एंड बैक्टीरिया. फंगी एंड बैक्टीरिया क्या करते हैं? they are called decomposers, and these decomposers are also called environmental cleaner. Why they are called environmental cleaner? Because this fungi and bacteria decompose the dead bodies of plant, animals, so they are called environmental cleaner. If there is no decomposers, ये decomposers ना हो और ये decompose dead bodies को नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? The dead bodies are spoiled, rotting. ठीक है, और rotting होने के बाद ये dead bodies क्या करेंगे? Smell करेंगे. So the environment is not clean. That's why they are called environmental cleaner, because they clean the environmental but decompose the dead bodies of the plant and animals. And waste also. They also decompose the waste material. So they are called decomposers. Means they decompose the waste material. जो dead bodies हो गई plant के, animal की, वो क्या हो गई? Waste product हो गए. तो उस waste material को ये decompose कर सकते हैं, तो ये बोलते हैं इनको decomposers. So the food chain of the forest ecosystem is the, like first of all trees, and then deer. Tree is a producer, and this deer is herbivore. Herbivore of okay, and next is lion. This is the carnivore. This is the food chain of forest ecosystem. Students, I think this is sufficient for today. We will discuss the abiotic components in our next class. Okay student, thank you.